L'arte è un viaggio dentro noi stessi, un viaggio che tutti possono fare per comprendere qual è la nostra reale natura.
Hello, Andrea. Thank you for joining LiForest Arts interview. Can you introduce yourself as an artist?
So I am Italian artist. My discipline is paint and large installations.
What is your contribution to the art sector up to now?
My research goes towards the dimension of the soul. What I'm looking for is the continuation of abstractism. And I express the personality of, in this case, the trees. And this expression can be universal language, because everybody can understand colors and also the synthesis of the forms. Make people to experiment the space of art and be inside in one artwork. Art, I think, can be one good contribution to art. So this collection I can call the soul of creation. This collection is the last research I do. I choose the theme of the nature. LiForest, and especially the word forest, can us thinking about the nature. So I choose the theme of the trees for this exhibition and the expression of the soul of the trees by the colors.
The Soul of Creation is your first public exhibition in Taiwan. And what does this mean to you?
This first exhibition is the synthesis of my work, expression of thoughts, and love for environment and love for the creation. When art abstracts the ego from the expression, become an instrument for the creation. Man was a drop in the ocean and merges with the ocean.
Why are you so passionate about art, and how does it change your life?
I wanted to be an artist. My father said, if you won't be an artist, you will not eat food. I say, okay, I will be an artist, I will not eat.